In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a download link in Tally.so. To get started, the first thing you need to do is upload your file to a platform that gives you a shareable link. This could be Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, your own website, or any cloud storage service you prefer. The important part here is making sure the file sharing permissions are set correctly so that anyone with the link can access it. If the permissions are too restricted, your form respondents won't be able to open or download the file. Once your file is uploaded, open it in your storage platform and look for the Share or Get Link option. From there, copy the public download link or view link. This is the URL you'll place inside your Tally form, so it's a good idea to double check that you copied the correct one. Next, log into Tally.so and open the form where you want to add the download link. There are a couple of ways you can present the link inside your form depending on the experience you want to create. One option is to add a text link. You can type something simple and clear, like download your free guide here, then highlight that text, click the link icon, and paste in your file URL. This works well if you want the link to feel natural within the form content. Another option is to add a button. To do that, type /button and select the button block if it's available in your form editor. Then enter the button text and add your download URL. A button is often more visible and can make the download action easier for users to notice. If you only want people to access the file after they submit the form, you can place the download link on the thank you page instead. Open Settings, go to the thank you page section, and add a short message letting users know they can download the file after submitting. Then insert the link there. This is a very common setup for delivering things like lead magnets, templates, checklists, or ebooks. You also have the option to redirect users automatically after submission. In Settings, go to After Submission, enable Redirect on Completion, and paste the URL of your download page or file. Once the form is submitted, users will be sent there automatically. Finally, test everything before sharing your form. Open the form as a respondent, click the link or submit the form if you're using a thank you page or redirect, and confirm that the file opens correctly, the download permissions work, and mobile users can access it without any issues. That's how to add a download link in Tally.so.